Hey everyone, welcome back to Wilkin Family Works. I'm Will. I want to thank all the new subscribers and viewership from the last video that we had. Today we're out here at our firewood stand. We're going to do a little bit of repair to get it back so it doesn't look like it's leaning. Got some angles to screw in to ensure it up. Also going to be decorating it for the holidays. Going to put some Christmas lights on it. As you can see, me and my daughter, we put little candy canes in the ground. So that's what we're going to get after today. This will be kind of a short video, but tomorrow we'll get more splitting done and things of that nature. Okay, so what we're going to do here, as you can see, I have these angles and it's leaning that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it back straight and then screw it in through into this to ensure that it stays that way. So that's what we're going to get started right now. All right, so now that that's done, it's leaning still a little bit, but nowhere near as bad, which is a lot better. So we're good there. Now we're going to decorate it for Christmas and the holidays. So we're going to be putting some solar powered Christmas lights up. Got my staple gun. Things will be good to go there. The only thing we got to do is we got to mount the receiver. I'm just going to screw through into the plywood and then kind of set it on top. From that, hopefully it'll stay. Probably just have to keep an eye on it, maybe. We'll go from there. So that ought to do the trick for the mounting. Then we'll just do that. That'll kind of secure it. So we went all the way around all the openings, up and down here in the middle. We didn't go on the top, but the covered couldn't work out because this is the last bulb. Kind of works out perfectly. We went completely around the sign, and then went up and down on the back as well. And then just across over here. Nothing crazy on the side that doesn't have any sign. So there. It's a quick little view. We'll show you with the lights on. Now I gotta clearly go make bundles because there's only 6 left in the firewood stand and get that situated. Thank you guys for watching. We'll show you at night when it's lit up. Turned off the lights so you can see it all lit up. I think it looks pretty awesome. There we go. That's with the traditional lights on it so that everyone can see it. Little motion lights, only run at night. Just a little project that we had here at the Walker Family Works. Wanted to get a little holiday spirit on. So in advance of the holidays, happy holidays to everyone, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and whatever other holiday is yours. Happy holidays.